Hi, thank you for watching the How Do I Make My Oatmeal recipe video. So I have had this request because people say they don't like oatmeal. I typically bake oatmeal a lot also, but I love just regular oatmeal. So I'm going to put 40 grams, and I have a bowl on my scale, and I have it set to grams. So I'm going to do 40 grams of quick quick cooking oatmeal. This is the Kroger brand. Doesn't matter what brand you use. I do use quick cooking oats because I like the texture and I like the small little flakes. Also to this, I'm going to add salt. And I'm going to use Himalayan pink sea salt, and honestly, I'm not measuring it. I'm just putting some salt in there, and if it needs more later, I'll add it after it's done. This is also going to, optional, get about a tablespoon of the Torani vanilla sugar-free flavor. 1 tablespoon reads that it has 0 everything, and I'm not measuring a tablespoon. I'm just drizzling it in a little tiny bit. Of course, you got to have water. This is going to go in the microwave now for 2-ish minutes. Okay, so I don't want to make you wait on this, but what I'm going to do after 2 minutes is crack an egg, put a real whole egg white in here, not the yolk, just the egg white is going to go in the bowl. Then I'm going to use, if I can find one, a whisk. I have them somewhere. I'm going to whisk it all in together and then microwave it again for about 1 more minute, 30 seconds, whatever. But the final touch is going to be, for me, the cookie spread, Biscoff cookie spread, or you could also do peanut butter. I like the crunchy peanut butter in there. Biscoff cookie spread, I will measure out 16 grams, which is about 1 serving. But I do measure it on the scale. I'm going to mix that all in. Then I'm actually going to put the oatmeal off to the side and let it cool, and it's going to thicken up. The egg white is going to really help it grow into a bigger bowl of oatmeal. Don't forget to add the salt though, because most people think that's crazy, but it really brings out the flavor and enhances the flavor of the oatmeal. The Biscoff just makes it taste like dessert, y'all. It's amazing. If it fits your macros, build it in. Thanks for watching.